Morning.
I'm glad you didn't get in there. I was just throwing bish. I'm like, I think I should get long bias on this.
I mean, if I would have got in it when I was going to, I would have been in at 30.90 and it flushed all the way down to like 29 something. So I would have been fine.
Yeah.
Actually, oh yeah, it was on that very first candle. And then after that, it went all the way back up.
Yeah. I'm actually thinking it looks like it's going to rip. I am all of a sudden not short biased. And it's Amazon news, that's always big. Don't ask me what the news is, because I don't fucking know. Some deal they made with Amazon, they're going to make a lot of money off of it, they said. So, better news than they're selling t-shirts.
Put up.
Hello?
Jagadian.
What?
I don't know why that became your nickname in my head, but you are forever Jagadian to me.
So what else going on?
Not much, man. Plug just went fucking bananas.
What did?
Plug.
Oh yeah, I did. Yeah, I have that up.
I got Plug, I got PDD, P diddle diddle. I got Indo for a possible push to 1145. Got him to 14.
Is Run doing anything?
I don't know. I didn't look at Run.
Run and charge point both went back up.
Run has no volume.
Yeah, they don't.
Zero zilch.
They gapped back up.
Yeah. So Run's probably not going to do shit at the bell, though. And if it does, it's going to do it on very little volume, and I won't be involved, so.
Yeah.
I don't give a fuck about Run. But I really don't want to trade Oxy, so I might take that off. You never know with Run. I mean, I don't know. Fucking A, I hate this chart so much. So I don't like the chart on Run. Just not a fan. Seven minutes to the bell.
I guess it would help if I
Plug's obviously got to be on watch today.
Is there a reason it went up?
Yeah, some deal with Amazon. Actually, a deal, not like the bullshit news
The green
that
hydrogen.
Piton had. Actually, it's not that they're selling t-shirts on Amazon.
No, it's not that.
No, there was better news than that.
It's not the usual
Morning,
pop.
Lenny. I'll go. What's up? What happened to the
We're
PML
selling
chart? That was my
t-shirts on
favorite part.
Amazon.
Yeah, I'll probably bring it
Fuck,
back.
it was up $3.
Everyone seems to have liked that.
Suspect.
I mean, I can show it to you. It's
That was the stupidest news I've ever heard.
to give you. I was using. I was
Plug in
trying
Amazon
a different
sign
layout.
green hydrogen agreement worth $3 billion in revenue.
That should
Yeah,
make
dude.
it.
I
That's my-
think Plug is
there
going to
it is
go
right
bananas
currently.
today, dude. I don't think this is the move. I think we just started. That's
VINP,
huge news,
Vinci
man.
Partners
That's a
announcing
well-traded company, well-known.
Amazon
Amazon dollar
raise for new
AMZ and
Known to
agribusiness
rip.
Power
strategy.
dollar
That's
plug
Victor
announced today they
in
signed a
November
hydrogen
Papa.
supply deal.
Got the SPY trying to hold gap up a little bit today, so that's gonna give it a little strength.
I've come to talk with you
There's a
again.
lot of reasons to maybe go long.
Yeah, okay, it's
bias on
not that
this
I'm not
Plug.
proud of it. I don't know. I was trying a different layout and I just never got back around to it. I do want to change it around. Maybe that's
stands
something
for,
I'll
in
do
my
this
opinion,
weekend.
Jag, just in case you don't know, because you're older than the rest of us.
Hey, so did you see the money they're going to give to people for their student loans, whoever they're going to give it to? It's all taxable.
What?
So they're
And
going
then
to
they
get,
pay off your loan, but then they tax you.
but they're going to tax you on the 10 grand.
Oh my god.
So they're giving you 10 grand, but they're considering it income basically.
income.
Yeah, so they can
Yeah.
put the next tax bracket that they just created.
Wow.
That's fucking hilarious. So it ain't free.
No. So you're paying yourself the 10 grand because it's out of your tax money, and then they're going to tax you on your tax money.
Oh my god. Oh, so that comes out of anything you would have gotten back on top of that.
Yeah.
Oh my lord. That's man, the government is so not shady.
No, we're trying to buy your vote with your own money and then make you pay some of it back.
They aren't shady at all, bro. Not even
There was
a little bit.
also people posting about like all the regulations behind it. Like
Yeah.
basically saying people with these kind of loans, like if you make $150,000 to $250,000 or something like that, and everyone's like, if you're making $150,000, $250,000, why the fuck do you still have student loans?
Why didn't you pay off your damn loans? Like a cheap motherfucker. That's hilarious. Dude, it looks like it's fucking raining outside, but it's not. Weird.
Oh.
Alright, suckers.
Uh,
You got 3 minutes to the bell. Let's
Sounds like
go. I'm up a little bit. I would like 1 or 2 good trades, and I don't know what else I'm gonna do today. I just don't know how today's gonna pan out with me being inside the house.
Oh, did they start inside today?
Well, they got to do my door outside.
actually,
and
I
my
work at a
back
clearinghouse
gate,
now,
and
and we're
that's
getting ready
it
for Jackson Hole to
outside,
cause a little
so-
chaos.
Oh, and a little bit of my
Remember?
trim. So they'll probably be
That buy
outside.
button
I'm
disappears,
guessing for
it's
an hour
my
and a half to
code.
2 hours in the morning.
Wait, what?
So they'll probably be in here by like 11 market time.
What do you mean when the buy button
Yeah.
disappears?
Which is kind of
You're scaring me.
12ish. I'm out for lunch, so I'll probably take an hour break there and figure out where they're gonna be, and maybe let them do the ceiling in the office while I take the dog out somewhere else. I don't know how this is gonna work. They come in with a bunch of dudes, so I'm sure like a couple of them are gonna be taping, a couple of them are gonna be painting, you know. Somebody's gonna be doing the baseboards. Alright, a minute and a half, guys, till go time.
Curious,
I guess.
you're getting the whole house painted?
Yes.
How much did that run you?
For the inside and out, I got it all for 7K-ish.
That's not bad. Inside and
which
out?
isn't- Inside and out.
Wow, that's actually really good.
No, it was the best price we got, dude.
Are they doing the ceilings as well?
Yep.
Wow. Are they doing the cardboard trick with the sprayer?
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah.
No, I don't think so. I think they're gonna tape it. Because he told me they're gonna put down the drop cloths from the ceiling to the floor, so.
That doesn't mean they won't use the cardboard. It's pretty cool what they do. They like stick the
I've seen
cardboard.
it. I've seen
yeah,
it.
yeah.
I don't know if they do that.
COSM
I guess we'll see
Cosmos
once he starts painting.
Most Health launches first Sky Premium Life Natural
It's
Supplement
crazy to watch
products
them
on
outside.
Amazon
I mean,
in the U.S.
they did it
Charlie
in
Oscar
3.5 days
Sandy
outside,
Michael.
pretty much done.
Yeah. Pretty crazy. All right, good luck, everybody. Got 20 seconds.
20 seconds till this bell ring.
There's a Cosmos popping here, 51 cents.
Hope I
10
make $1 million
seconds to the
this
U.S.
morning,
market
guys.
open.
So do I.
Thanks, man.
No problem.
Well, I love you, Greg.
PDD's running like fucking crazy.
Endo's running a little bit. PDD is running. Yeah, PDD, if anybody got that. No,
You're
crazy
interested in
popping.
plug going crazy. It's getting a pullback.
Yeah, I'm watching it. Get it up. I don't see it bounce here.
S&P 500 up 0.3% after the open. Dow Jones Industrial Average up 0.03%. Nasdaq up 0.55%.
Order partially filled.
Well, PDD. I mean,
Order filled.
I just couldn't pull that soon.
Watch him plug. Yeah, that's hard on that. Like 20 seconds in, just short 10 seconds in.
I mean, I couldn't even jump in PDD.
I mean, it
It
was
was a
just,
little too quick.
I mean, it would have been a great win. But how do you pull that?
Somebody probably did, but
Somebody, yeah, somebody somewhere
it
did.
wasn't none of us. 3111 is kind of an interesting area. 3111. Plug.
AMD up.
Wow.
PDD is nuts.
Honestly, I thought PDD might pull back
HDSA.
today. That's the one that I wasn't thinking long bias on, really. Why I'm not even. I didn't have a plan.
Oxy's going back up too.
And I took that one totally off my list because I fucking hate Oxy with a passion.
I don't like you. You won't like what it looks like.
Oh, I won't. Oh shit, plug. Oh fuck.
Dollar.
Did you go long and plugged him?
I did.
I did. That was funny. I looked over at my screen. I'm like, what the fuck are you doing? Jag's like, you took a long time?
Did he?
Devin would be proud.
He actually got a good entry and everything.
Yeah, but I'm sure I'll hold it too long and end up being a loss. Spy's not really helping its case, that's for sure.
Yeah, Spy just tanked.
But I agree with Devin. That news is too good for it not to try.
CGC.
So when it gave me that dip at the open, I was like, all right, I'll give it a little room.
Pins up.
Watching pins.
Yep.
Be careful on that one, man. Not pins, but plug. Just watch it, man. I took a little scalp on it. I'm all out, but I think. it
Yeah,
might go back
I'm
here.
only in 10 shares.
Oh, okay. I was in 300s.
Yeah, I was basically looking to get in now and see if it could run to like 40 or something.
Yeah, the fact that it didn't just go straight to over 32.24,
Karen.
it makes me skeptical. So I got to hold off on that.
Yeah, I mean, my
Yeah, we'll
average is
scalp
at
you, scalp on it.
87, so
Nice.
whether it works or not is whatever. I was
What is up
basically
with this pins
discounting
being
it.
a slow-mo freaking jumper? Like, this isn't really fast. Did I miss something, or was it going faster? Not feeling the vibes there. XPEV kind of pulled back hard.
Yeah, we're not getting any clean moves lately.
Yeah, motherfucker, man, can't get a clean move to save my life. So frustrating. Shit drives me crazy, dude. It really does. Come on. Fucking
HDSNLNT. Pins nibble.
Ah, hate it. Watching PDD.
Autofilled.
Stabby on pins. Plan here on plug is to add if it wants to try to break 30-50, and then 30 is just my stop. I'm not going to let it go below 30. I would try to get my ad as close as I can down to 30.
I joined you on the stab you with pins.
Yeah, I'm in too.
Autofilled.
I just
I
took
meant to
mine
double
there.
click it. Oh,
Would have got my fill right
what
there.
that?
Dollar.
I'm actually waiting for VWAP. Really? I mean, I took a 50 out, but I'm looking for.
Out half right there on pins.
I'm looking for 2190 for bigger take.
Yeah, I started it a little bit too early. Did get an ad at the top.
Pins with a lock.
Oh, yeah, I'm starting to feel like this is gonna be a waste of time here. I'm all out.
Shares of
slow.
Tesla falling here now, 295.84. Company trading on after the effectiveness of a 3-for-1 stock split. Tango Sandy Lima.
Man, Tesla is getting whacked.
Is it?
Yeah. It's hard to see if you have yesterday's chart in there, but if you have just today's, it's going straight down.
PRCH89K.
I cut pens just in case somebody didn't hear me. Not feeling those vibes right now. Watching plug still. Fuck, PDD looks like shit. Here we go again.
Oxy's still going.
Yeah, I was really looking for the highs on that first push on plug. I was gonna probably take it off if it was failing there, looking to get back in on another pullback, but it just never got there.
Oh, Pen's busting through.
You still in it, Thomas?
No, Pen, oh,
Yeah,
no.
good, good.
Did you cut Pen's, Jag?
Yeah. Yeah, I cut it at the bottom of that red candle.
Indo's pushing, but man, that thing is really hard to trade.
Yeah.
That is, I don't want to be risky biscuits today. Lug, what are you doing, girl?
Keep
Didn't
dying.
go to that.
That doesn't make any sense.
Nah, 30 is my stop.
You take anything? You took something out on the way up, I assume.
Nope. I just said I was looking for a high a day.
Okay. 10 shares. I mean, it's nothing to.
Yeah, it's low share.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah, I
Those
mean, I
ones
was
you can
looking
get.
to hold. Yeah, I was looking to hold this until 40, seeing if it could make some crazy move. But
I mean,
Which it still
honestly,
might.
That's
It
how
just-
you really are supposed to trade. Is when you really believe in a trade, is you give it room. But none of us have that much
HDSN out
ability
all
yet,
for now.
unfortunately. Slug power. I thought you would do better than this, girl.
CGC
Order
dollar.
This Thursday, so my gardeners are gonna come too. Fantastic. Today's gonna be a fun day.
Pins
XPEV,
LNT.
Jesus.
wow, pins. Little fake out there.
Yep. That'd been nice to get it up there.
ACVL up. SCVL asterisk.
I hate pens. It's
Order
one of those stocks that I
cancelled.
really don't enjoy trading unless it's like super active for the day.
It's like Oxy's giving it all back.
Did pens have like earnings or something? Does anybody know?
Let me see. Hold on.
To PINS. Why is this bitch doing something? Pinterest faces investigation by California Civil Rights Agency.
No, it's so nothing good. Oh, you're getting investigated? Sure.
Alright, let's buy that shit. Pins is racist? Cool. Canceled motherfuckers.
The plug can't even use the SPY as
Washington
scapegoat
Post reporting
anymore.
Tesla
SPY's
is
trying to go
demanding
back
an
up.
advocacy group take down videos of its vehicle striking child-sized mannequins, alleging the footage is defamatory and misrepresents its most advanced.
The worst part
driver
is,
assistance
I know I'm gonna
software.
stop
That's,
out on the 30
Tango Sandy
break,
Lima Alpha.
and
There you
it'll
go.
probably and then it's probably gonna go. It's what it feels like it's trying to do, like get down there and test 30. And they're just gonna liquidity grab the crap out of it. That's probably what it is. Guys that got to their desk late, they're like, yo, I didn't get this at the price I wanted. I mean, does this really just fade all day? Look at this, right to it. And give it a second, see what it
CGC
does.
out all.
Then I'll probably just be getting out.
JMPR Juniper hearing Gordon Haskett saying that suitors may be looking at Juniper Networks. That's Juliet November Papa Romeo, JNPR.
JNPR up.
Volume out of
JNPR.
nowhere.
Shares of Juniper Networks getting a pop here, 29.67, up
I don't
about
normally do, yeah.
2.5%. That's Juliet November Papa Romeo, JNPR. Seeing some heavy call activity now in Juniper. The September $30 calls on JNPR.
Long PDD, a little below here.
Did anybody's icons change on the top of their
Autofilled.
dash chart?
I'm out a little bit there. Hold up. I don't think so, but I'll tell you in a moment. This is a trade that I never take, and we'll see if it works, man. I mean, it's working really good actually right now, so.
Carrot Cha-ching.
You're in PDD long.
Yep. Off the bottom, man.
Carrot.
It's traded into my fib line, and I've watched it do this the last few days and never acted on it. So I figured, screw it, man. I mean, my risk was like nothing. These are like the trades that I say that I should take. I took some out of VWAP, obviously, though. And if it fails now, I'm just gonna get out. And I'm out. That went straight back down to me. What the fuck?
It was being nice and then said, no.
PDD. Below there, dude. Might be short bias. Fuck. I don't know. I was originally short bias on this, but because of that gap up. I don't know. PDD's a fucking whippy bitch, huh?
What a crazy move back down.
Zeta up.
Not the biggest fan of this stock. Dude, that was being so nice, and then it just said, fuck you, Devin.
ZETA looks good, but there's no volume. And it's not, it popped over 7 maybe.
What is it?
ZETA, there's no volume. It's 450,000. It's extended, but it needs a big
BLNK,
volume bar push.
Blink, Cushman & Wakefield signs preferred supplier agreement with Blink Charging for deployment of electric vehicle charging stations. That's Bravo Lima November Kilo.
BLNK with some news. No shorts, so never.
And Charlie Whiskey Kilo.
Autofilled.
What are you trading? What's everybody trading?
I am officially out of plug.
Are you?
Okay, I guess I'll just stay in my lane from now on.
Shares of Blink getting some volume here now on that.
You could have made some money there.
BLNK.
And I think you got to treat them kind of the
Shares
same.
of Juniper continuing higher now on that chatter.
I don't know why you wouldn't long.
I'm a little confused. I mean, it's buy the news, sell the rumor, I guess.
TSLA Tesla Electric reporting Tesla doubling supercharger design team in Canada.
If I don't if I don't take any shares there, the thing probably goes to 40. I'll pull that card
your
out.
fault.
Always my fault. I mean, that's crazy. That's crazy news to just do this.
Yeah.
It's literally not even trying to bounce. It's just going straight down.
What are we talking about? What
Plug.
stock was it? Plug? Why the fuck is EAT drop? Everything is just falling right now. Is the SPY just dying like horribly?
No, the SPY is trying to go back up.
What the fuck is happening right now? I'm like seeing so many things just going straight down.
And then like all these like pops that we're seeing are on like no volume.
I'm watching PDD, but Jesus, that's extended. Now I want to short it. But that needs to bounce for me. I can't fucking short this.
Guess
I
I
wish I
should have
would've
just
shorted
shorted
the
plug.
Yeah.
Was plug just dying?
Yeah.
Look at it,
Well,
it
that
hasn't
didn't-
bounced at all.
Then that didn't set up for you to short it though either. That's the only
Oh,
thing
well,
there.
no. I mean, I should have
You
just
gotta-
took my profits on that first candle when I was up, but
yeah.
I was looking for the
Even
much
10
bigger
shares
move.
is hard, bro. Yeah.
That was
You
supposed to
need
be
such
like,
you need such
let's
a
see
big
it
move to make
grind.
money.
Yeah, it was like,
Yeah.
hey, everything's been grinding lately. Let's see,
Maybe
let's
this
get in
bitch
one
will
of
live.
these. Yeah, especially with the news.
I mean, it could have been buy the rumors, sell the news, and they could have already been priced in.
Well, I mean,
Man,
obviously, it
has
seems that way.
moved up a lot over. Look at this straight up move it's had since $20, $20 to 31.
Yeah, but that's just following the SPY.
Is it?
Yeah.
No. Does plug follow SPY?
I mean, look at the dailies. You tell me.
Normally, to a degree, it does.
What hasn't really been
I don't
following the
care.
SPY is the question.
Yeah, this SPY's been kind of fucking making everything do
Order
weird
filled.
shit. Watch him plug.
Give it one more little shot.
You know,
I mean, if it doesn't bounce here, I mean, it severely slowed down. Went much further than I was expecting. Give it one more little shot. Remember when the buy button disappeared games? Oh, I got you. What is it? 64. Everyone and their brother talking about plug news. Go long equals smart short until early longs washed out. Yeah. I mean, you're not wrong. That's kind of why I was trying it again to see if they did get washed out.
Neo's making a run.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, that's kind. I mean,
Bottom
you
is
heard me
going
say
up.
it. That was the thought process of
literally
adding
wrote
when I
down
did.
Neo with a question mark
Earnings.
next to it, meaning I don't really fucking know.
Was I was looking for
Like normally
them
I
to
put
get rid of
arrow
those
up or an
longs.
arrow
I just didn't
down.
think it would
Neo, I
go
put a
this
question
far
mark,
down.
like,
To be honest,
Neo?
it's over half the move.
Somewhere up down.
Shares of Pinterest getting a pop here, 2230. Article from Tech Times on
Shares
Shuffles.
of Pinterest are not popping, Charlie.
by Pinterest.
They're up, sure, but they're
One
not
of the highest
popping.
grossing applications in the Apple App Store.
Are they dropping?
That's Papa Indy November
No,
Sandy.
but it's not popping. Is
Yeah,
it-
I wish it would drop.
You still
Are
in
you
it?
in it?
Yeah, I never got out.
Oh, nice. I'm sure you'll be fine there.
What's your average now, Thomas?
2219.
Yeah.
Technically, we could
AVYA
join
12
Thomas
K.
right now and have a better average. So if he's right, we should all be in this. I mean, right?
That's true.
If he's gonna
You're
make
not-
money, we
you're
would
not
definitely
super
make
wrong.
money.
Zeta out the nibble. Not sure that is even a happy meal lol.
That's just like, I mean, true.
Maybe not with inflation.
All right.
Guess we're just gonna get chopped out of the SPY going straight up and plugs still going down. Interesting. SPY is like straight up.
KPRX, KR Therapeutics up now more than 100% on that earlier note from Ladenburg, giving the stock a $6.50.
It's just
price
everybody's
target.
underwater
That's Kilo
up
Papa
here.
Romeo X-ray.
Volume's dying pretty quickly in this too. What a crazy move down. And look, SPY's trying to go straight up.
On Neo.
You're out of Neo.
Yep. Down at the
MDT,
bottom there.
just
Medtronic
feels like it wants to
FDA
go
says
lower.
Medtronic
Big
calls
baller, shot caller.
recalls hardware HVAD system
It
batteries
wasn't
for
that great of a
electrical
win,
faults
but it's a win.
that may cause battery failure. That's Michael Delta Tango, MDT.
Why back above this area that I
World
have
Health
on my
Organization reporting
40-ish.
That in the early stages of the monkeypox
Seems to be
outbreak,
nobody
if it
buying.
goes
cases
above
were
that,
in
it
Europe,
goes higher. If it gets below that, it goes lower.
with a small proportion in
Just
America,
chopping back
says
and
that
forth through it,
that
Especially
has
with
now
the SPY
reversed.
doing this, is crazy. Definitely not what I expected it to do. Obviously. And probably maybe do one more liquidity grab. I mean, I don't really know what to think here. 29.50. I mean, if their goal is to run this longer throughout the day, like what are they looking for before that?
I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna move my car inside the house, inside the garage. BRB.
Order filled.
Put the stop in. Take my stab at it. If it decides to work now, can make a decent amount on it maybe. But if it just fails
OUST,
at the
traders
30,
circulating
can't even get through 30.
tweets
So
indicating
it
that
needs to
Oust
do
is
that,
now
obviously.
on Amazon. Oscar Uniform Sandy Tango.
Push. Gotta get through. Got through, but can it actually go now? Where I was hoping for like an actual push up through, but I guess we're not going to get that. And the SPY is like going straight up, so you'd think that might help.
VLTA 79K.
Something called C-Web. Got like no volume, but it was up like $2.50. I didn't do it because of the volume. I should have. I would have been in at 59.35.
JD.
Suck. Ooh, Neo
JD
jumping.
making a move.
Order
GG.
filled.
JD.
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 Coming up at 10:30, natural gas storage. They built a 58
It's a
BCF
little brick.
expected.
I'm making a big move, guys. Kind of be careful on some of the stuff. Not saying it means anything, but could drag shit up all day, you know?
Order filled.
Dollar.
All out of JD.
I didn't get it.
I didn't pick that either.
Me as well.
NEPT 3.80 plus PLS.
And the pictures are back. Damn, 7 a.m. They roll up right on time.
Yeah, but then they sit in their car for 15 minutes.
No. Started on PDD. It's long. Not gonna look a gift horse in the mouth. A little bit off there, but I'm gonna have to leave in 2 seconds, so I hope this thing pops fast so I can just get the quick out.
Wall Street
Go.
Journal reported China near a deal to let U.S. inspect Chinese company order records
*MLCO.
in Hong Kong.
Oh, guys, I hate to have to cut this, but I'm gonna have to cut this. I'm gonna just cut it. I'll be back. This is not the type of day or trade that I just want to like leave sitting here. I'll be. Oh, and it dropped. I'll be back.
Didn't get a fill on MLCO.
Order cancelled.
Like at B1.
I think we can move this stop up, by the way. We don't need to be all the way down below 50. I mean, if it comes all the way back down here at this point, I don't want nothing to do with it. Which it very well could. They could be painting the picture that it's going to go lower, and that's when they grab the liquidity. Little fake bounce, maybe suck some more longs in, doubling up their shares, get them down, create the obvious stop loss, eat the liquidity, and then drive it higher.
The Alibaba popping to the high after that Wall Street Journal report on.
I mean, if it's,
China near a deal
I mean, look at the
companies
SPY.
ordered
If this
inspections in Hong
isn't
Kong,
trying to go
that's
up while
BABA, Alibaba.
the SPY's doing this, I mean,
Also,
I
Baidu
don't
popping
think this
to
is
the
going to
highs,
want to go any higher.
BIDU,
Just my thesis.
PDD, Pinduoduo, all Chinese. Most Chinese stocks popping on that news, major Chinese stocks.
I mean, if we can get above this
traded in the US.
30.21 right here, then maybe.
Fed's Harker says we need to get restrictive
We'll see.
stance, which will be by year end. That's
Just keeps
Philly Fed
coming right
President
back down.
Harker. I'd like to see us get to above 3.4%, and then perhaps.
Because eventually the
sit
SPY is
for
going
a
to turn
while.
around, or even a little pullback. And I mean, look, it's already the first sign of the SPY trying to pull
But
back.
if
This
data
thing
keeps
did this.
indicating we need to
JFU up.
raise more, we should do
A
that.
little bit on JD. Didn't get my ad at the top, so it cost me some. But
That went again, huh?
yeah.
Harker says, I want to see next inflation reading before deciding on September. S&P futures now moving a bit higher here, 41.7425. Harker says 50 would still be a substantial move.
64.40. I was debating on either cutting it or adding to it, and then it dropped.
Yeah.
And I'm like, oh well, because that would have been really nice. Especially now.
Order filled.
0.85-ish orders in. Open nibble.
The open was extended a little bit more.
Yeah, I took a small starter on it.
Holy crap! Good thing I didn't let that go. Huh?
Before we end.
PDD.
Oh.
I thought you guys went long on it, and then I'm like, I'm just gonna cut it, guys. I gotta go talk to these people. And don't want to stay in this.
You know, they have this thing
Feels
called
like-
stop losses.
Yeah, I didn't have time to do that. I didn't want to run out and talk to them. Rather just get out. I'm glad I didn't set a stop loss because I would have lost.
Well, yeah. But that's why they're there, to protect you from the bigger move.
Yeah. Well, instead, I made money, so I'll take my decision.
Your decision was the right one.
I made the right one this time around. Fucking A, I can't decide which way this shit's going now. Somebody get JD?
Me and Jag both traded it.
Should have stayed. I should have stayed in, but I was just kind of happy to get the green back to green with it, and I wasn't. I
JNPR
went in
Juniper
semi-small,
shares
so
continuing higher
Gotcha.
even with my ad, it wasn't big enough
on
to worry.
that
It would
report
make it worth cutting in half.
K and
from
J
Gordon
and
Haskett
JN.
suggesting that there could be
That is moving up.
Dang,
potential buyers for the
JNPR
company.
straight up.
Shares
Yeah.
now at $30.29, up almost 4.5%. Juliet, November,
Potential
Papa, Romeo,
buyers.
JNPR.
Those are not my jam.
NVDA, NVIDIA moving here on heavy volume following their earnings report yesterday. Shares now 173.55, up about $10 off yesterday's low following their earnings report, up $1.34 now for the day. That's November Victor Delta Alpha.
Probably gonna get stopped out of plug here again.
Are you back in?
Looking pretty heavy. Yeah, I took a stab when it
TOSM,
did the
Cosmos
little
Holdings,
looked like a
another
liquidity
pop here.
grab there under 50.
Charlie Oscar,
Yeah.
Sandy,
Or 30, I
Michael,
mean.
following their report.
But
of the
I even
launch
called
of their
this out. I
nutritional
was like, I bet
supplement
you
products on
now,
Amazon in
after
the
I was in
US.
it and watching it,
That's Charlie
it
Oscar,
looks like they're
Sandy,
going to
Michael.
give like some false hope to the upside, get longs to start
Feds
kind of
Harker
doubling
says
down,
supply chain
trying to average
constraints
down,
are starting
run it
to
lower
heal.
one last time, get all the stops under the
Says our
obvious
job is no
area
way
to put a
done
stop
on
now,
inflation.
and then run it higher if they wanted to.
Yeah.
Was it just me or was that the longest explanation ever?
JNPR 31-ish PLS.
I mean, it was just something that I discovered while I was in the trade. I was like, you know how we were always talking about them painting pictures,
Crude pulling
like the
back
big
a
money
bit here
painting
now,
a picture.
$94.
Yeah, it seems like the perfect picture to paint.
It's just funny because you started it, and then I thought you were just be like, ah, blah 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 blah, done. And then you're like, blah 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 blah. And I was like, all
Is
right,
that how I really sound?
that's how I heard it. I hear you like Charlie Brown. Here's teachers. Wah 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 wah.
Open's just chopping around on you, huh?
Yeah, I'm debating on just taking it off, to be honest.
Guys, we should long Nia.
I'm glad I got out when I did.
Oh, are you short Nia?
I shorted it between 1935 and 1920.
Really know what to do with this Juniper. It's like extended, but it's
I
kind of
know.
hoping it kept going through the $50 there. I just don't understand this open. It's got volume, but it's sure not trading like it does.
It's $4. I don't know what the fuck to trade. PDD I should have shorted. God, PDD is one of those tickers that's so fucking hard to get a read on, huh?
Yeah, look at Oxy now.
You know what I want
that's
someone to
just-
figure out today at some point? How and when they determine the halt prices.
It doesn't make sense.
Like, why does it go up when it goes up? When does it determine to go up? How do they even, like, is there a percentage
says
both
started to
ways
hear
of the
very
current
early last
price?
fall
Like,
that
I
inflation
need to
was
figure
not
out.
transitory.
That's been bothering me for quite some time now. I need to figure it out.
Thought it was supposed to be like 10% in a given period of time.
I mean, 10% of 492 would be 49 cents. 49 cents down from 492 is what? 450. 450? But the halt
Parker
is at
says, I'm not in the
463.
camp of taking rates way up and then
Actually,
right
it would
back
be even
down.
lower than that. It'd be 50 cents. So it'd be 440.
Five percent. It's 5%.
Are you sure?
It's not always the same. It's really
Because
weird.
5% would be what, 24 cents? And so
That's
that
what
would,
it
I mean,
said.
that would make more sense.
I just Googled it and it said 5%.
Yeah, I mean, 5% would make sense. So it's 5% of the current price in both directions. I mean, that would make sense. Or, yeah, it kind of does. Even on plug, it kind of makes sense right now.
ATLS, New Investors Business Daily Leaderboard
And
position.
it says 5% of the ATPR. I don't know what that
Alpha
stands for.
Charlie Lima Sandy.
ATPR? I say ATR is
AT
average true range, but I don't see how that would
ATPR,
factor.
average true price range.
Maybe.
And it says listed securities in the S&P 500 Russell price above $3 per share between 9. So that's for one's price above $3 per share. I don't know what the deal is below there.
Ultimate guide to stock market halts. What is a halt?
That is what the
halts,
Goog says.
News halts, volatility halts, trade halts. To do if your stock is. None of this tells me any of the questions I asked.
The Guggenheimer. You doing,
Circuit breaker
Dragzilla?
halts?
Nothing.
Market wide circuit breaker. 7%.
Nothing at all.
So apparently at level 1, circuit breaker halt freezes trading. Oh no, this is for the entire stock exchange. This isn't for. I don't know. See what this thing does here. As it
JFE
tries to go
pennies on
higher.
way. MLCO out all.
You just desperately want to figure this out, don't you, Tim?
I mean, it does bother me. Yeah. I just want to know. I hate not knowing. The real reason I want to know is because I like to play ones that are possibly going up into a halt. So to know, because how many times have you seen like them playing with the price and all of a sudden they know that it's about to go up and that's when they start pushing the price up again into the current halt price right before it goes up. Like, have you ever seen that? Like they sell so it doesn't halt and then it sits there and then right as it's about to move up on the halt price, all of a sudden they start pushing it back up to the current halt price right before it goes up. So it's like, how do they know? Like, what do they know that I don't? Obviously, there's got to be a way to know because I've seen it happen.
We were so talkative today.
I did sleep a lot, even though I went to bed late. I went to bed late, but I did sleep well.
You been doing some crack or something?
The dog like didn't bark throughout the night. I guess that's part of it.
Hey Thomas, you still on pens?
Nah, I cut it for a loss.
Okay. I'm guessing you didn't take max loss on that.
No. It turned into something I didn't want. I did add into it to pull my average up. It was kind of like, all right, I'm giving you 20 cents here. So
You work or you don't.
yeah, exactly.
Watching Dish.
Shit's funky, man. Like I'm watching PDD just go to the bottoms, go back up. Go to the bottom, go back up.
Oxy did the exact same thing.
Yeah, I'm gonna kind of sit on hands.
Everything's so grindy.
Fish went up and then just said, "Ah, I'm good here."
Yeah, dude, it's so frustrating.
Guys, what do you,
Go back
what
down
do
your
you
average.
fucking want? The market to be cooperative? Is that what you want? I mean, have you guys been here? Do you guys even know?
Order filled.
Not what the market does, motherfucker.
Order cancelled.
Makes to frustrate the shit out of us.
See what our buddy's doing. What's he doing?
SJ. Is that our buddy?
8,000 shares in drug.
Hey man, I freaking popped up on my thing, my YouTube yesterday. That's what
Oh,
Order
he,
cancelled.
boy.
he lost money on 8,000 shares in drug.
He's already out,
He lost 2 cents a share.
and he took it off.
Yeah,
I don't fucking understand how he trades.
at 290. So look, now I got to pull up drug and see what's up.
That 288.
Well, so I guess it's good he cut it at 290.
I don't understand how that dude trades, man. That,
Plug's about
Carrot
to get
dollar
me.
on way.
oh, you're in this thing now, man?
Yeah.
Order
oh, there
partially
it is.
filled.
Watch the volume.
Order
Watch
filled.
the volume on this. I'm calling this is the bottom. This is a liquidity grab. I got a
Just
horrible
push down
fill
here.
on it too.
It opens under, you know.
Yeah. I actually added to open. It's at my take profit. I'm sitting here at
Arthur,
486.
you
I should
little
probably-
shitbag, come here.
Order
Probably just
partially
take-
filled.
TCRT, Alanos
Order
Therapeutics
filled.
shares up about 13% now,
Yeah, it's been
$2.30.
It's weird that
Company
plug didn't
yesterday
didn't
reported
pop with the SPY. Normally it does.
that
Normally
it
it
had-
pops a
Well,
little.
that's
accepted
how
to
I
present
knew
a
it was going to
preferred
come
tor-
down. Look at the liquidity grab, man. I'm
on,
telling you, that's
press
exactly what this
mutation.
is. I called this a half hour
Dish
ago.
LNT.
in previously treated
I'm just not
non-small
giving
cell
it
lung
any more of
cancer
my money though.
at a cancer conference on September 30th. That's Tango.
And of
Charlie,
course, I
Romeo,
didn't jump in
Tango.
Dish because it seems so effing slow. But then that one decides to be the fastest drop out of all of them all day.
Yep.
Dish
Of
dollar.
course, the market hates you.
I couldn't get in it though there, with it just sitting there.
Just going with the market hates Tim. Come here, boy.
I just want this to be a lesson. I don't want to get back in this and have it work because I want it to be a lesson to me if plug ends up working here because it was so obvious what they were doing. But if it doesn't work, then I'll continue to say I have zero clue what I am doing. Like if this continues lower, I'll just be like, okay, you win. I have no clue what you're doing.
I don't.
I am probably gonna just be here for a little bit, take off, and get some food for lunch later, because I'm not gonna be able to cook.
JD's back to, well, was back to high day, now starting to come down again.
We have been in a kind of difficult market. I mean, right?
Yes. There'll be a day where it's good for a little while, then all of a sudden it's just shitty.
And even the good ones, like, it's just kind of like, well, what the fuck's this gonna do? It's a good thing he got a drug with his 10,000 shares. The thing's just dying.
Yeah.
What was that other crazy one I was looking at earlier? Indo or something?
COSM
Yeah,
Cosmos
yeah,
Holdings
down
spiking
there.
now to the highs, up 50%. Charlie Oscar Sandy Michael
Charlie,
on
Oscar,
that
Sandy,
launch
yeah.
of their nutritional supplement products on Amazon. 60 cents the high now on Cosmos Holdings.
DOSM
Charlie
under
Oscar
$1.10.
Sandy
I don't know
Michael,
if you wanna
that
trade
press
that
release
bull.
It
out
says I
just ahead
can't.
of the open this morning.
COSM ADK.
Weird. Cosmos Holdings.
Says I can't trade that.
Yeah, my little
know.
shortable block is red on that one.
Weird.
Yeah, it's weird.
I've never seen that. That one does not say that for me. Is that on your
On the
DOS?
Interactive Brokers one.
Oh, okay.
Try to short it. See what happens. Just try to put an order out at like $1. Here,
Oh,
I'll
I
do
guess
it.
I could do that. Okay. You did. I was afraid it's
Yeah,
gonna
it
fail.
says reject, no trading permission, customer ineligible, ineligibility reasons, no opening trades. Oh, it's a pink slip style.
Oh,
Thanks.
pink sheet or whatever.
Pink sheet, yeah.
Would explain it.
That would explain it.
Sorry, it is a percentage,
Dude,
depends
I'm
on the
about to go
stock.
make a protein shake.
OT index
Yeah,
halts.
I'm gonna go make a protein shake.
ENVX
Tell
is
me
going
something.
a bit, but nothing phenomenal.
What
Next
is it?
drop 7.
ENVX.
So you're telling me it's 7%? Here, the ATPR is calculated as the average price of the previous 5-minute
It's
trading
almost a high
period.
day, but
So for normal tickers, it's 5%. This is kind of what we're getting at here.
Yep. I'll be back.
Do I really try this again like an idiot? If I really believe it's a
SPY through high a day.
liquidity grab.
Take it off your screen, Tim.
I literally said, I was like, it's Tesla all over again.
ENVX might get interesting. And it did, but I missed it.
MLCO 6.20 interesting.
Well, it wasn't meant to be.
Order
I
filled.
can't help myself. I gotta try it one more time. This will be it. 42. If it gets below there, I'm officially done with it. I'm actually gonna just take it off my screen because the whole point of this is to see it go all the way back up today. So if it can't do it after the clear spike in volume on that candle on grabbing those stops, that was my, so I'm just basically trading my thesis over here when we were in the trade, that they're going to paint the picture, it could go higher, get a bunch of people to average down, come down, grab all their stops at the clear stop out point now, right? They put a clear area to stop out if it tried to go lower, grab the liquidity there. You guys can't see it, but the volume was nice there. And now they can see if they can grind it up higher the rest of the day. That's my thesis. And if it works, then I'm looking for, you know, much higher. But if it doesn't work, then I'm done with it. Especially with the SPY going up, there's no reason that this can't attempt to go back up. So we'll see. I didn't take as many shares as I'd like, but all we got to do is get to 30.83 and we'll basically kind of break even on the day on it. So we just need a point. You don't even need high of day. This is me just trading my thesis. I was saying I'd like to be taught the lesson, but I learned the lesson, even if it works with me or without. Like, I get it. Plus, it would be stupid not to trade it if I think it's going to do something. Like, that's the whole point of trading, is to put money where your mouth is.
I was watching NVTA, but didn't get to where I wanted. You have any other trades, Thomas?
Other than those three.
I didn't say. I just saw you. I just went on there and saw you posted it. But you got JNPR? Couldn't post
Yeah.
too, but I didn't do it.
Yeah, they weren't huge, but they reduced my red on my.
Is my chat? Have you guys been chatting on YouTube? Because I don't see any.
Still red
chat
on the day
there.
as it is.
Like from the bot or anything. Oh, there it is. Beginner day trader. Live trades. Is that like the guy or no?
But can't complain.
Can't help
'cause
yourself
I'm
from
under
mindset,
about
yeah.
a quarter of a max trade loss. So.
Yeah.
Wonder if that's just a mock of the actual guy.
And hopefully something shows up to get it back for you.
Yeah. To be honest with you, I'm not 100% mad at myself the way I traded.
Yeah, I think his is just beginner trading.
Seen it definitely got to something that I didn't want to be in.
Going long today? Guess the world is ending. Yeah, apparently I shouldn't be going
Give
long.
you this much. You don't work. I'm out of here.
Yeah, and it was a good cut. It's still going up.
I had a good
Yeah.
feeling that plug was going to go higher on the news that it had, but I guess it was a buy the rumor, sell the news kind of thing. But I didn't even know there was a rumor until it made the move this morning. I actually almost shorted it here,
Yeah, and that's a trick on pens or on
which I wouldn't have
these.
been comfortable short had
When
it
getting the one that turned into
worked,
a grinder and realizing it quick.
or
it's
had
gonna
it
bug
kept
out.
going and I read the news. I would have been like, oh, Amazon news. And it's good
Yeah.
news. I
Like
mean,
I
it's
said,
so
I'm
it's
not
like you'd
100%
think
upset the way I traded it.
with the SPY doing what
Noticed
it's doing,
it wasn't something I
this would
wanted to
have
be
no
in,
problem
so,
going up as well,
could
but
I have
it's
done
just
it a little bit
died.
earlier? Sure.
But the news was Amazon
But then I
and
was also
Plug
trying to give it a
announced
chance
that they
because it
signed a
was
hydrogen
pretty
supply
extended,
deal.
You know,
Like,
to give it a chance to
sounds
come
like
back
some pretty big
down
news. I mean,
to
yeah, we got the
even
big move up, but
a
I
couple
feel
of my
like
fibs. It
something
really
like Plug,
bounced
it
off
could
of
go
one of them,
much further.
but really probably would have never filled me.
Just needs to get back above this 30.21. Then I think we can get a decent move to the upside.
Like that first trade, that was a winner on pins. So it was 2 ads. I took out half, and then
How
added
are
back
halt
in
prices determined?
what I thought was going to be the backside, and then just played it again. So that's the
Don't wanna
second
market
trade.
wide.
The first trade I won, but not enough when you start, putting in size.
Yeah, I get it.
Natural gas storage, a build of 60 BCF.
Freaking PDD.
I just wish. So the reason
the
you have
SPY.
to stop out here is because
The
if it's
estimate
not a
was
liquidity
58
grab, I mean, this
BCF.
thing could just go all the way back down to 28, and I'm not. That's when you're really stuck.
Prices are going up.
So there's no problem
Well,
stopping and then getting back in.
Just
I'd
broke higher today,
rather
then came
always
down
do
a
that.
couple, like 20 cents, but it's over at 417. 417's 50s.
Go SPY, go.
Natural gas
So what
pulling
is
back
$3
slightly
up
now,
from the 350 up from the
$9.32.
bottom?
What's that secrets of a
375 up
market
from
maker
yesterday.
market? The guy that's named channel is
STLD, Steel Dynamics, new swing trader buy. Investors business.
I just
daily.
love how like every video about market makers, it's always like their faces are blurred and like what are they hiding? Here's the channel.
It's 10 right now. I'll do $5 million at $6, right? So he gets $6 paper, we cover our short, then I rip it the other way and he sells that stock into it, right? And that's how I learned how to hide a short position in Switzerland for a year. I don't, what I do every day, I don't consider work, it's fun. Yeah. And not yelling at people and screaming at people, talking to lawyers all the time, and not yelling. You know what? You look like you're young and you're
JJ, thank you so much. I'm so glad Tim wants. JJ, thank you so much. I'm so glad Tim wants to have you back on. I had a feeling that that would be the case, even though some of it.
There it is. Confessions.
All right, the kids. What do we do now?
Nothing going on.
Sit on hands. Womp, womp, womp. Why is pins moving?
Tim had said something, but it was kind of stupid.
Yeah, there's nothing. Yeah, there was some civil rights investigation.
Oh, that was pins.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
it seemed like it should be going down, but no, it's going up.
Yeah.
All over Twitter, people were like, someone knows something about pins. I thought it was something to do with was it? Yeah, I remember hearing it too, but oh, pins to be purchased at close of business today. Apparently it's a possible purchase.
Where did you see that?
Twitter.
Oh.
I mean, that's not official by any means, but
Yeah.
just
Who's buying it? Elon Musk?
Maybe.
Said it don't want snap. Yes, on bit.
Oh, now he's in 5,000 shares of APRN.
I mean, everybody on Twitter is saying like, when's the buyout? When's Pin's buyout? So obviously there's some kind of rumor.
Yeah, apparently. Okay, so at least I guess it makes sense.
Interest strong on shuffles, blowing up on TikTok. Maybe there's TikTok thing. I don't know.
Yes, that's what's making it move. TikTok moves the markets, motherfuckers.
I mean, you'd be surprised when them influencers say something. Sometimes
I'm being sarcastic. I know they really can somehow. I hate it. And I hate our world for it. I just want to fucking kill everybody, but
yeah,
no
no biggie.
no biggie. I just want to murder. Fuck, why not? Just so stupid, you know? What a
I
dumb
would
world we live
agree.
in. God, it frustrates me. Like, I get legit irritated when I see like these people that like Miranda's other her ex roommate, the gay guy.
Yeah.
He's like guest services at that new I can't remember the name of that fucking casino, that new one that opened up here. You guys probably went to it. The big red one. Resort World, that's it.
Oh no, yeah, we didn't go to that.
Oh really? Well, he
Yeah.
does guest services in there, so he like they got famous guests or whatever. He services them and you know brings them their food and makes their stay really nice, you know. And he's like he didn't even know who they were, but it was some TikToker, and like he started watching his two girls or sisters, and he started watching their videos, and he's like, "Are you fucking kidding me that they have millions of dollars?" And he started showing me the videos, and I'm just like, "This is a retarded world we live in. I'm done."
Yeah.
I mean, it's the stupidest shit you'll ever watch in your life, the biggest waste of your time, and they're making millions. And it's just probably a bunch of fucking kids. What's that?
Have there been like no halts today?
I don't know.
Or is my thing just not reading properly?
I don't know, sir.
Well, there's been halts. Oh no, no, there haven't. There's been basically 2 all day. Okay, that's weird, huh?
Not really. I'm kind of a slow market. And it's clearly not, you know, a fucking low float pauper market. That's normally what halts. What keeps beeping out there? I like my painters. They're kind of cool.
They're cool painters.
That's like nice guys. I had my old house painted before I sold it at some point, and I did not like my painters, but they were like Russian and didn't speak a lot of English, and were just kind of smelly Russian men. I say they were smelly because they all chain smoked, so they would come in my house and my whole house reeked of cigarettes. And I was like, good lord. You gave me a good deal though. Alright, friends. I got like another hour and a half, 2 hours, but they're gonna be inside my house fucking shit up. I would like to make money.
Not looking promising right now.
Dude, I would say above 418, we might get weird squeeze action on the SPY.
Well, it's not too far away.
That's what I'm saying. It's like right here. I mean, if I was looking for a long and that was a normal stock that wasn't the SPY and 418 bucks, I would be watching that bitch. You got a trade in, Jag? Yeah, you traded something.
Yeah, I got 3.
I don't even know if I posted my stupid pin chart. I know I posted PDD. Here it is, pins, which was a waste of a trade for me, but that's how I trade those because I fucking hate them. I feel like that's something you guys should kind of watch because I notice on a lot of these bigger name companies like PDD pins, if you normally trade that first push up on something, it's just going to be a small pullback and keep going.
You mean like Plug did?
Well, Plug was just fucking choppy as fuck. And Plug, you got to take in a huge gap up and the action it had in pre-market.
Yeah,
It's
but what's the difference between that move in pre-market versus the move at the bell?
Yeah, but that didn't even have a move for you to get in. That didn't even do what you would want it to do ever.
What are you talking about? I had a pullback into the bell, and then, I mean, isn't that what you're talking about with pins and PDD?
No, I'm saying in a stock that isn't like stupid extended, like Plug, which was pretty extended. Like PDD, that didn't really do it either. Which is the one that we were just talking about, pins. That one did not have a gap up really. It was just opening up kind of at the bottom. Had a big push up. Those are normally not going to just pull back to the bottom. It's probably done this for a reason.
CFRX moving here on volume, low price stock up
That's what I'm saying.
7.5%.
If it's a piece of shit stock, then yeah,
Charlie
it might just
Foxtrot
pull back to
Romeo
the bottom,
X-ray.
but just say on bigger companies, you might think there's some news there or something. Or a reason it's moving out of nowhere. I mean, literally, the volume bars were bigger than any bars it's had for the last week and a half. Coming off of a bottom, it's probably a reason that's going up. Neo's still going up too.
Is it?
Yeah, dude, 2028.
Yeah.
Just keeps going. Pens just broke new highs. BDD just broke new highs. Fucking A.
I'm kind of glad pins happen.
Why?
Because I was sitting here on the edge the whole time. With pins, if I don't make anything, any more trades the rest of the day and I end up on a red day, pins finally broke 102 trade, green trade run and 32 days consecutively green. If I finally broke it.
Now, it's your first red trade in 102 trades?
In 102 trades.
Red trade the other day. Maybe I'm making that up. Maybe I'm thinking you were green in it and Vesh was red or something. I don't remember.
Oh, that's highly likely.
Like, that's probably it. Probably it. Yeah, that would be you're on pins and needles. Wait for pins.
Yeah, actually, I was waiting for a max trade loss.
Take out of that, huh?
So
that's still coming.
Well, no, you remember the last time I got full
I
size?
swear, every
green
time I
on,
try to
so
add
it's
like this,
only
I
when
did
get
yesterday.
to,
It worked out
I get to the full size.
Charge point.
And that's not
I can't
a
say
regular
that,
event,
but
so.
it seems like I always pick those spots to add right before it makes the move the opposite way.
Fucking JD, dude.
Oh,
Why did you long that one, Devin?
Everything's grinding up, dude. I don't fucking know what to do.
Plug.
Except because you're in it, dickhead.
Yeah, you longed it, idiot. You would have longed PDD.
And look at the
Rewind
SPY.
nerdy
It would
It's,
have been fucking mad.
SPY
99%
is
today,
literally
November
just
Romeo
going
Delta
higher and
Yankee.
higher all day, and this thing's like, nah, I'm good, bro. I'm good. Just gonna chill down here.
Even run got a pop. But not you. I think Plug hates you.
Any
Plug
stock
hates
that
you
I
for sure,
long, dude. When do I win on longs? Never.
Then why do you do them? 3 times in a
No,
day.
I don't know, Jag. I don't know.
And lately, the longs and the shorts have been hating you, so.
Order filled.
All right, I'm all out again. Done with that one. Might just be done for the day because now I'm getting pissed.
Tim. Oh, Timmy. Oh, fuck, I'm so full. Man, protein shakes fill me up like a motherfucker.
ENVX is going up too.
Yeah, why didn't I long fucking JD, dude? Why didn't you call us out, bitch?
We did. We were shorting it.
You guys were going the wrong way. I would have gone the right way. When I long stuff, they work out sometimes. JK, Tim, JK.
I'm sure there'll be news of the CEO selling 20 million shares or something.
On what?
On Plug. Yeah.
Oh, that's why it's going down. Oh, shit. That would be hilarious. Oh, you actually took it?
Yeah, he took it 3 times.
Oh, I thought you said you were just gonna like play it in your head so you learn a lesson or something.
No. He said he had to put money where his mouth was. He used a gambling reference.
I missed that action. I was
you were-
making
you
my
were-
protein shake.
I was temporarily right.
You were.
When I left, he said he was gonna let it go against him
bowling
so
and
he'd learn a
food.
lesson. I didn't hear the other adventures of Timothy.
Here, enjoy the scanners for a little bit. I'll be
I
back.
do not really want to trade. JD, I'm kind of into, man. I
I'll be
wish
back.
I was in around 64.50. Later, dude.
Look at freaking Oxy now.
$67.70. $67.70.
That's what you're saying it's going to go down to?
That's where I think JD will go up to.
Oh.
So I'm trying to figure out how I can get in somewhere here. I gotta wait for a minute, dude. Because I don't want to get in and have it be the fucking pullback that comes all the way down to 65, and I'm not gonna be in for that long, so that would fuck me. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So what I would like is this to pull back a little bit. If it would pull back to 64.50, that would be fantastic. That's where I should have been in.
DG Dollar General Executive says customers are coming more often but spending less
Dude, if
on
this,
each trip in a reversal to what we saw in the pandemic. That's Delta Golf.
guy's the CEO of Dollar Store General? Or Dollar General?
Yeah.
Said customers are coming more often. I'm going to Dollar Store today.
It must be a fun place to be.
That sounds fantastic. And it only costs $1? Like, fuck
You
yeah.
can't go wrong.
I'll
BYND
take
Beyond
two.
Meat, the September 2nd, $28 calls on Bravo Yankee November Delta.
I guess I should have got an ENVX. Doesn't like the way it was trading.
I was with you on that when I pulled it up, and I was like, yeah, nope.
I needed more. It was getting there.
What is it?
ENVX.
E-M as in Mary?
No, E.
N as in
Easy,
Nancy.
Nancy. Victor,
I
zero.
got you. I got you. I heard the rest of it. I just didn't know the N or M. Eminem. Kind of like add a breakout area. That one's kind of fucking weird too. So many charts that I'm not like really a fan of where they are. Looks like it was a little higher maybe. I'm watching JD here.
Not playing right now, Bray. I'm not
Like
getting
that
into play right now.
65.50ish.
Any GG, Newegg seeing some volume coming in. November Echo Golf.
Early just said Newegg, N-E-G-G, is getting volume. Somebody should look at that.
Yeah. Well,
Do you
considering it
see
only had
volume there?
90,000 volume for the day, yeah, it got some volume with 45K.
I mean, but what the fuck?
Can't hear you,
Don't even
Bray.
call that out, dude.
And it went up 6 cents.
I mean, seriously, go back to sleep, Charlie. You were clearly high.
No,
Alright.
I cannot hear you.
EBUG just resumed trading. What's up that? Oh, I don't want to look at that. That's
I
terrible.
did, Bray. I got
329 volume.
Had the buy button slammed here on JD, did not make me pull the trigger.
You're thinking long, right?
Yes, sir.
Dicks!
At this point, I would probably only take this one. Unless it gave like a stupid extension that I saw, you know?
Yeah.
I'm not really looking for a short on this thing grinding. And look at it yesterday. It grinded all day yesterday too. 56.50 all the way to 61.30.
Yeah.
Things having big fucking grinds.
All right, I'm getting out and back in.
I like how my dog just like licks his nuts.
Somebody's got it.
Yeah, I don't lick them ever.
I don't lick your dog's nuts. That's good.
I never lick his nuts.
That's a good thing.
And the other day I did reach down to pet him and I touched his penis. And it was an awkward situation, but I was like, oh, sorry, buddy.
Situation.
I thought I was reaching for your belly. It got a little more than I wanted.
Look at plug die. Crazy.
Was it dying?
You get out and back
Yeah,
in.
it doesn't make any sense.
Try it. Try getting
Fucking
out.
plug. Going all the way back down, huh?
But it makes no sense with what's going on, you know, with the spy and everything like that. And even like you look at
And
Run,
they had good news, you know?
but like you look at Run, which is fairly similar to, you know, normally they do something similar. That one's at least going up and down.
I don't really know, man.
But I don't know.
Feeling like a virgin.
You touched for the very first time.
Touch for the very first time.
He's disgusting.
Madonna?
Yeah. Have you
She's
seen
a
her lately?
beautiful woman.
Nasty.
So hot, dude.
She was wandering around with like some thong outfit on, and they were at something. I'm like, why would
Water-filled.
you do that?
Madonna kinda like has started looking like an alien.
Yeah.
I don't know what she's done to herself, but it's not good.
Yeah.
And she's like, what, 65 or something, but she kind of looks like she's like maybe 20 and then maybe like 80, so you can't really figure it out.
Depending on which part of her body.
Like, even her face, though, I mean, like, it kind of looks young, but then it kind of looks old. It's like, I can't fucking figure you out anymore.
Yeah.
I mean, sometimes when she does her makeup good, you're like, whoa, I don't know how the fuck she looks like that right now, but when you just see her kind of normal, you're like, ooh, that's kind of creepy.
Oh, did you see the report? I don't know what water park it was. Some woman went with her family and she was wearing like a big thong bikini.
I
And
did
people were
not see
freaking
this.
out.
Right here, I'm gonna post one that I feel she looks very alien-y in. You guys tell me what you think. Like, what is that?
Yeah, that's not even human.
Like, what has happened to her?
A lot of bad plastic surgery.
Yeah.
It's like an alien.
I mean, she looks like an alien, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I wasn't making that up. I keep seeing pictures of her and I'm like, wow, Madonna looks like an alien.
I'm giving it an eggplant. No, I'm not
Let's
giving
see,
it. That's a bad sign. People might take that the wrong way.
I'm gonna give it an alien head.
There you go.
There's a Pinterest making more new highs now, up 10.5% on reports on the company's
Dogs to the groomer.
Shuffles app.
Good luck, people.
Papa Indian November Sandy, 23.29 now, up $2.25.
Damn, look at Penn still going, dude.
Oh,
Like, if it really gets to moving, I may jump back in this, but it's not doing it.
I would concur.
I would love to take my money back.
Em, you back with us? Like the market frog gives Madonna the frog. I threw 100 shares at JD, which I wish I would have thrown a little more, but let's see what it does here. Stop below like 60, maybe 50, 50.
SOFI, SoFi seeing some big call
below 60.
activity today in Sandy Oscar Foxtrot, India. The weekly 6.5 call sweep on SOFI. Letter F, Ford. Ford is increasing Mustang Mach-E prices between $3,000 and $8,100,
Autofilled.
depending on trim. That's letter F. That from Automotive News. AOB, G Group getting a pop here on volume. 70 cents now, the high, about 2.25%. That's Juliet Oscar Bravo.
But I don't know, bad guess.
BACC Vasitech continued heavy volume up about 50% now. Victor Alpha Charlie Charlie. CREG halted on a circuit breaker. Low volume.
I'm up the shit with my brothers. Keep lethal weapons and Glover. Push make a young nigga thugger. You know best friend is a cover. Girl on me bouncing like flubber. Boy young with money like stunner. 300 a pint pour all summer. Shoot on sight if you fuck with my come up. Your boy got a license to start this. Shoot on sight isn't right, but we gunning. Sip a Sprite pour all night at the function. Yeah, we bump 21, ain't no jumping. See the X and the X did the dumb shit. Said I rock one-on-one how I've done shit. In your eyes, see you jump if I smoke this. Open X when I flex for the youngin'. Your boy got a license to start this. Shoot on sight isn't right, but we gunning. Sip a Sprite pour all night at the flight at the funk, 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 funk. Pull up to the
Dicks! Fucker.
Thomas, anything?
Yes and no.
What's that mean, man?
I jumped in pins.
Oh god, was that good?
I'm only risking 10 cents, so it looked like it was rolling over, and it looks like a descendant triangle. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna risk 10 cents. If I can make some back, if not, oh well. $10.
Gotcha.
It's really not even 10 cents. It's like 6 cents I'm risking right now.
EDCX has made a pretty crazy move.
EDC. That's not anything. EDVX?
T, Tango, Delta, Charlie, X-ray.
Tough day to trade again, man. Dude, what is it? EVTX? No.
I don't even know why he's calling it out.
T.
We're all talking about that $10.60 ticker, right?
Yes, I was saying it's made a pretty crazy move thus far today. That's all I was saying.
Oh, okay.
Damn, this VACC's made a crazy move too. I mean, not the first time, but still fucking crazy.
BACC, Vasatech shares continuing higher, now up 60%. Not seeing any news other than Twitter mention.
My charts are loading slow. I'm frustrated.
That's Victor Alpha Charlie Charlie.
Ugh. Definitely not gonna trade this VACC. Plug is now at the lows of the day. Fucking A, that thing just keeps rolling over all day. Let's take that off my list. You guys probably would have loved short some PDD or VACC.
Possibly.
Ending and got crazy volume today. I'm assuming low float though.
Working.
Your average and pins,
19.
Yes. Great. I can't understand what you're saying. I will, just not right this second, bud.
CLEU, China China Liberal Education up 15% now. Seeing volume in stock up to 71 cents now. That's Charlie Lima Echo uniform.
Right back as I use the bathroom.
MOB, Mobilecom, IPO is open. Opened at $4, now at $3.95. Michael Oscar Bravo. Priced at $4.13.
Have her name? Oh.
I am back.
RBLX, Roblox seeing some call activity now. The October $50 calls on Roblox. Romeo Bravo Lima X-Ray, RBLX. Shares of Roblox right now off the lows at $40.42.
Feeling your trade, man?
Yeah. Been here before. I needed the break.
Where's your magical 23.6?
22.89. I'm hoping it flies through it.
Love the consistency though. You always have it up, man. Going right down to it.
Need it to fly through it, stay under it, and open underneath it.
I would agree, man. Not my trade, but I agree for you. Kind of watching JD down here.
EBIX,
See it kind of
EBIX,
pop
cash wins
above
prestigious long-term contract from South Bengal State
65.
Transport Corporation. That's Echo Bravo India X-ray.
Wouldn't mind trying to find a long on this. It's a tight motherfucking stuff. Buy, came all the way up here, coming all the way back down to retest that 415.40 area. Fucking bananas, man. I'm back, man. I'm gonna go use the restroom real fast.
Traders now mentioning an IPO scheduled for tomorrow involving AMTD. That stock, Jinzai Education Technology Group, which is opening up tomorrow. Same underwriters as HKD and MEGL. DKNG, DraftKings, Butler Bets, tweeting now about DraftKings talks with Maryland lottery officials questioning their $3 billion in losses since 2018. That's Delta Kilo November Golf. ELCN, Valcon shares up 10.5% now, $2.70.
What do you want me to
Victor
do?
Lima Charlie November. FCC launching investigation into mobile carriers' use of customer geolocation data. MLB, IPO, Mobilicom hitting the high of the day, $4.50, up about 8% now. Shares priced at $4.13, now at $4.50, and moving up about 11.5% now. That's Michael Oscar Bravo. MLB shares were halted at the highs, up 19%. Michael Oscar Bravo.
Out all, don't care anymore.
Amateur trade looks wildly fun.
Oh yeah, I'm just sitting here working, moving the stop loss down as we go.
Yeah. Shows bouncing at my 28.3 on mine. But who the hell knows? You already falling asleep, bro?
Who's that?
Market.
Can't blame him.
Yeah, it's just fucking slow. You still in here, Timmy?
For now.
No, that's not you. Hearing things. Are you trading something? Just setting alerts everywhere. Nothing's really triggering.
Have like
MOB shares resumed, hitting $5.61 and halted again on a circuit breaker. Michael Oscar Bravo. HA Hawaiian Holdings. Hawaiian Holdings, some chatter circulating now from deal reporter at Hotel Alpha.
All right, guys, I'm gonna go just be with the kids. I'm kind of frustrated. I'll just take my small loss. I mean, I'm not gonna sit here and try to force something. Send you guys over to SJ. Appreciate you guys being here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, all that good stuff. And we'll be back at it tomorrow. 2 red days in a row. It's looking like it's fun. I haven't had that happen in quite some time. So until tomorrow, I'll see you later. Thanks for the fart there, Looney. Peace out.